We divide 862 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 862 divided by 5 is 172 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.